Hey, this is Greg from Lift Innovations. Today we're going to show you how we assemble our blades. We have two components here. Yeah, by the way, don't mind my gross thumb. I got slashed by some fucker playing hockey a couple weeks ago. So we start out with the shaft here. We get that machined. It originates from a stainless steel rod like this. And then our blade here, we get that laser cut from sheets of stainless steel. And there's little tabs in here where we rock these out to remove them. Then we take these two components and we just mate them like this. And then we put a little O-ring on there just to make sure everything stays in place. Put them in our swaging tool, give it a little back and forth. It expands the tip of the shaft there, locks everything in place. There's your blade. Have a good one.